Welcome to Code to Impact. In this video, we shall kickstart our Django series. So first, we shall start by creating the virtual environment by writing the command py-m venv, then the virtual environment name, which is venv. You click enter, and you see the virtual environment being created at the left hand side. You can see its name. So next is for us to activate the virtual environment. So we move on to activate the virtual environment by writing the command /venv /scripts, then /activate. Then we click enter. So now the virtual environment has been activated. As you can see, the virtual environment name being displayed on the left hand side, and it's in green. So we move on to install the Django by inserting the command pip install the Django, and we click enter. So this part requires your machine to be connected to the internet to allow the Django to be downloaded. As you can see, the Django is being downloaded. So it might take a few seconds depending on the internet connection. The Django has been successfully installed. So I clean by writing cls. Moving on to create the project. Write Django-admin, then start project, and then I write the project name, of which I've chosen API because it's short, but you could put any other name that you want. So I press enter, then it should be created at this side. So as you can see, there's that folder that has appeared on our left. Then when you open it, you see there's settings.py, urls.py. So inside the settings, that's what we have where we installed apps are, databases we can connect, then the URLs, of which we shall talk about those later. So moving on, we go back to our terminal, and then now we move on to that folder by writing cd API. Then now we try running the server to check if it's working actually. So that's the command, then we click enter. I don't know why it has ended so quickly, but then let's run it again. Click enter. So you see you have 18 unapplied migrations. So when we click on that link, we should be able to see the browser. So here in this browser, so it's saying this install worked successfully, congratulations. So our Django is up and running actually. So we have to now go on to apply the migrations by writing py manage.py migrate to apply the migrations. Click enter. So the migrations will be applied, as you can see. So the migrations have been applied. I'll clean it again by writing cls, enter. So now we move on to create the app actually. We're writing py manage.py start app, then write the app name, anything you want you can write. I've written mine as blog. I click enter, then I should be able to see it inside the folder. So when I open the folder, you can see there's blog. So inside the blog, let me cancel that first. So inside the blog, you can see there are modules.py, views.py. Shall go into details with that later. So we have to now register the app we have created by going to the app folder, then settings.py, and then moving on to the installed apps, and then writing the name of the app which we have created in the exact way, blog close bracket. So we move on and we run it again. So you see I've not been saving my work because my IDE is on autosave. So if yours is not on autosave, you keep saving the work, otherwise you'll face errors. So when I run it, you can see it's running. Thank you.